So we've definitely been in a bit of a bearish trend when it comes to the overall crypto market. I think obviously everybody can see that. But something has been changing a little bit, especially when it comes to ADA, and I want to show you guys this. This is pretty interesting. So, over the last week, we've actually experienced outflows of $54 million across the crypto market. Right now, BTC is leading the way in that regard. In fact, 8 of the last 9 weeks have been negative. They've accounted to 455 million in outflows. We can obviously see that, when we look at the crypto charts. Obviously, BTC has been dropping over that time, and we're not making much in terms of gains right now. But when we look at this and dive a little bit further, Bitcoin experiencing outflows, all right, $3.8 million over the last week. Ethereum experiencing outflows, $4.8 million. BNB and Matic, same thing, right? But Solana, Cardano, and XRP are actually experiencing net inflows. In fact, we saw 0.4, so basically $500,000 in terms of ADA inflows during the last week. Now, this may not seem like a lot, and you're right. It's not very much in the grand scheme of things. But right now, ADA is actually bucking the trend when we compare to the overall crypto market at a time where everything is very much correlated and moving with BTC, following what BTC is doing. ADA is doing the exact opposite. In fact, when we look at these charts, we look at how this last week has been playing out. We've kind of climbed out of this very bearish sentiment, and we started becoming more bullish. We obviously had this bullish divergence play out. I wish these things wouldn't pop up. We have this bullish divergence that's been playing out since the middle of June. We're starting to climb into a more bullish sentiment in terms of the RSI. We're above what that trend line is. And now, also when we look at this charts, we've broken back into this broadening wedge. We're getting away from this bottom support line at 24 cents. These are very positive signs when we look at the short-term performance of ADA. Now, this isn't a guarantee that we're going to continue to move up or anything like that. Right now, you guys might be able to see here that we are, in fact, sitting on this 20-day moving average. It's an area that we've struggled with a couple times. You can see we got rejected here back at the end of August. We've kind of been rejected all the way down this drop, basically since August 1, okay? So we do have to fight through this. We have to break 26 cents. We have to get up to this 50-day moving average and really break that before we do have this really bullish sentiment surrounding ADA. Now, I don't know if this happens quite yet. I don't know if we're quite there yet. I still think that we more likely follow this trend that I've drawn out in the chart here. I think we kind of stick within this box, right? This is my buy box, right? This is where I'm continuing to add to my bag of ADA. Obviously, anything below here I'm adding to, but I think that this may play out, at least into the start of October. It looks like right here it may play out until early November, and that's just when ADA needs to make a decision whether it's going to hold this support and continue, or if it's going to break to the upside, or if it's going to break down further and get to some of those ranges that people are talking about, like 20 cents, 17 cents, stuff like that. So I thought I'd share this with you guys. It's very cool to see that ADA is doing its own thing right now. And this is, again, one of those reasons why ADA can do so well in bull markets, is because it finally gets to this point where it can essentially do its own thing. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know where you think we are headed from here, but hope to catch you guys in the next one. Take care.